Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster, Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan Crew. Now the exterior color is a black pearl, and under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Now at the front we have our halogen high and low beam headlamps, as well as a pair of fog lights and an engine block heater connection. Over at the side we have our 17-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in our mud and snow tires, as well as we have our color matched mirror caps and color matched door handles. We also have our two sliding rear doors with the privacy tint, and on top we have our roof rails. At the rear we have our Grand Caravan Crew flex field badging. We also have a power liftgate, as well as we have our LED taillights, and at the rear window we have an embedded defroster with the wiper blade attached. At the interior, we have loads of driver-friendly features, including tons of door storage, as well as power locks, power windows, and power adjustable mirrors, as well as we have our heated mirrors. Over at our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp dial, as well as we have our tilt steering wheel with our information trackpad on the left and our cruise control settings on the right. And as we look up, we have our auto-dimming rearview mirror with our cabin lights, our 3 garage door opener points, and tons of overhead storage. And as we look at our interior, we have a beautiful black leather, which comes with a fully adjustable seat with lumbar support, as well as an electrical adjustable seat for the passenger. And as we look at our display cluster, you'll notice we have 59,431 kilometers on this beautiful Dodge Grand Caravan. And as we look at our display, we have our touchscreen, which allows for AM, FM controls, satellite radio, as well as an aux line in and a USB port, as well as we can pair our phone for Bluetooth phone calling. And down below we have our ventilation system, as well as our dual climate control area, which includes heated seats for both driver and passenger, and air conditioning heating throughout the entire cabin. And down below here we have a 12-volt adapter and another 12-volt adapter. And as we look at our center console, we also have dual cup holders and tons of cubby hold storage at the rear. And as we get into the rear, we have our dual captain chairs in the second row, which allow for 2 passengers, an easy walkway to our third row. And up above we have our rear climate control area. And as we look with our easy walkway, we can get to our third row access, which includes 3 more seats with cup holders and cubby storage for both passengers. And down below here we also have a 12-volt adapter and AC outlet. And that is a total of 7 passenger seating. If there are any more questions about this beautiful Dodge Grand Caravan, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.